Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I want to show you guys the course by Traversy Media that helped me to learn JavaScript. So I'm here on my desktop, so let us go right into it. Let us get right into it, please. So here on this search bar, I'll open up udemy.com. So it's loading right here. So these are best-selling authors and everything, best-selling seller courses and all of that. So here on this search bar, I'll search for modern JavaScript. Learn modern JavaScript. Look at it yourself. Modern JavaScript from beginning 2.0 2023 revamp. So by Brad Traversy. So this is the course that helped me. So I'm from Nigeria. Right now they are doing some discounts. So this is 74% off. Before it used to be 29,900 here in Nigeria, but this is 65. That is way cheap for someone who wants to actually learn JavaScript. So guys, I apologize for the noise out there. I'm actually recording this video from my office, so our office is beside the road, so vehicles get to pass and all of that. That's why you're hearing that noise. I apologize, please. So this is the course, see, modern JavaScript from beginning 2.0. So I actually learned with the first version, so this is the second version. So he has actually updated some things, a lot of things inside here. Because this is a course of 36.5 hours, one article inside, and 48 downloadable resources. You can actually access it from your phone, mobile, and everywhere. They also give us certificate at the end of everything. So these are companies that actually would recommend employees just like normal. So these are the course outline, everything. What is JavaScript, the tools to set up variables, data types, and more, arrays and objects, and all of that. Function scope, logic and control flow, loops and iterations, for loop, for each, array method, map, reduce, and everything. And also challenges there. With the help of this course, I was able to learn array method, sort, filter, find, all of that. Document object model, the DOM, manipulation, and everything is all here. Event listeners, the keyboard events, and everything. So shopping list projects, these are projects you would do, shopping list projects, even asynchronous JavaScript, timeout, callbacks, promise chaining, and all of that. Async, await, fetch, and everything. So they have two more sections here. OPs, OP, man. This project was nice. This track calorie app was nice. Models, iteration generators, unit testing, the Node.js modules. A lot of things that was added here, because I believe in the last course which I take, this node wasn't there. This random ideas app wasn't there. This one too wasn't there. So a lot of things have been added. But I did this course, of course, in the first version. Classes, we did this one on the first one. The Flex Movie app was not there. Fetch API was there. Asynchronous was there. We did this one there. So looking at this is actually a good course for someone to actually get started when he or she is getting started. Now, who is this course for? Like the basic requirement. At least you are supposed to know HTML and CSS. You must have basic knowledge in this. Of course, the HTML is for the boiler, for the skeleton, the CSS for the styling. Then the whole action, the whole logic has to do with JavaScript and everything. So let's check out more, show more. What you will learn: basic and fundamentals, data types, let, const, functions, conditionals, data structure, arrays, object maps, and all of that. DOM manipulation, selectors, traversing the DOM, how to hide and unhide, how to create, remove elements, and event listeners. OOP, constructor, prototype, inheritance, classes, the other then asynchronous JavaScript, AJAX, HTTP request, SHR, fetch API, callbacks, promises, async await, they're all here. The error handling, try and catch blogs and everything, then web and browser APIs and all of that. So this actually helps a lot. This actually was a good course. Now see, there's a lot of projects there. I love projects because 70% of the time, let me just say 80% of the time, I learn by doing projects. So these are some of the projects you will do: shopping list, Flex movie app, all these there, music player, video player, drum machine, provide scorer, pulling app, joker joke, ball animation, all of that. So this actually was good for this course. Now, who is this course for? People. Oh, wow, let's go. This course is good for people that want to learn modern JavaScript from beginner to advanced, including tooling and setting up a modern workflow. So I believe, guys, with all that I've said in this video and watching this video and everything, so I believe this is actually what a good course for you to learn JavaScript. Starting from there, with this course by Traversy Media, you're able to learn from beginner to advanced. He will take you right from the onset, step-by-step process, the tools, everything you will learn. Because I learned JavaScript from here. My JavaScript, for me to say that, okay, I know a little bit JavaScript, is from this course. I did project and everything. So with the project that is here that you do, it will get you started to know about JavaScript and all that is there. So thanks guys for watching. Please comment below, tell me what you think about the video and every other thing. So please share, like, subscribe to the channel, support the movement, So if you're a beginner out there who just started out, please comment on the section. Let me just get to know you, And if maybe you're already an advanced programmer or someone who has already been there, who has been programming for long, please comment. Let me just get to hear from you or what you think about the video. Thanks guys for watching once again. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks so much. I appreciate you guys. Please.